Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add friends in Locket Widget. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Locket Widget, which of course I have done right here. Of course, where can you get the Locket Widget app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Locket Widget and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. And after installing and registering, of course, or logging in using an existing account, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Locket Widget. So now, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add friends in Locket Widget. So we're here in this homepage. If you check the top corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple of icons, and one of them is the friends icon. So go ahead and click on friends. So once you click on friends, now you have all of these options. Now you can find friends from other apps, which include Insta, Snap, WhatsApp, or you can go ahead and click on the others option. And then you have suggestions that are available for you. So you can use any of the suggestions by clicking on add. So go ahead and click on the add button and you'll be able to add a friend from any of the suggestion lists. So you can even click on show more for you to add more. So let's say I want to add this person. You can just click on this add button. And once you click on the add button, the person is going to be added. You can even invite people from other apps by sending invite links. You can send via Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, messages, Messenger, Telegrams, or even other applications. So as you can see, I have sent requests to the first person, and this is the second person I've sent a request to. So once they accept my request, then I'll be able to send messages to them using the Locket widget. But this is pretty much how you can add friends in Locket widget. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.